Okay, it's about 12:30, past midnight. So it's been cooking for at least 4.5 hours. Look at that. Bubbling along. The meat's at the bottom, veggies at top. So it should be okay by the time I wake up, 8 hours. Alright, been cooking for almost 12 hours. So this thing is ready. Man, look at that. Oh yeah. I already turned it down to low. It was on high all night. So you can tell the water already bubbled down this much. So it's ready for partake. Right? Meat's all done. Alright, this has been cooking for 15 hours. I skipped lunch. So now I'm hungry. So let's partake. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just gonna take this and just swoop it out. Oh, look at all that meat. Oh yeah. Alright, bon appetit. Custom made beef stew, cooked for 15 hours. Yeah, everything's all done. Got my carrots, potatoes, the cabbage almost like melted in the background. The meat's up, beef all done. Alright, bon appetit. Thanks, Bill.